Optimum Altus USA Internet Review Watch before using. Most people assume all internet providers deliver similar service, but here's the surprising truth. Speed, reliability, and customer support can vary drastically. That is where Optimum comes into focus. Optimum is an internet service provider operating in multiple regions with cable and fiber internet options. Here's what most people get wrong. They think advertised speeds always match real performance. Optimum offers different speed tiers to match usage needs. It provides home internet, phone, and TV bundles. The surprising truth is that fiber plans often deliver more consistent speeds. Optimum is best for households needing reliable high-speed internet. If Optimum is available in your area, it is worth comparing before choosing a provider. Subscribe to the channel for more internet service reviews and tech tips. Title start autocorrect text honest review watch before using title BND script start autocorrect text honest review watch before using. Autocorrect text honest review watch before using. You might think your writing is already strong, but most people get this wrong, and here's why. Even experienced writers miss repeated phrases, weak sentence flow, and habits that quietly drain clarity. AutoCrit is designed to expose those hidden problems before your readers ever notice them. AutoCrit is an online editing and writing analysis tool built especially for fiction writers, authors, and storytellers. Unlike simple grammar checkers, AutoCrit scans your text for pacing, dialogue balance, filler words, repetition, and readability. The surprising truth about writing software is that it can actually train you to become a better writer over time, not just fix mistakes. When you upload your manuscript, AutoCrit highlights common crutch words like very, really, and just. It also analyzes sentence variety, so your writing does not feel robotic. Many users are shocked to discover that their smooth writing is actually overloaded with long, complex sentences that reduce readability. AutoCrit also compares your writing style to best-selling authors, showing how your pacing and dialogue frequency line up with popular genres. You won't believe what happens next when you see your manuscript's weak spots appear in seconds. This makes revision faster, cleaner, and far less frustrating. AutoCrit is best for novelists, short story writers, bloggers, and anyone who writes large volumes of text regularly. It does not replace a human editor, but it dramatically reduces first draft mistakes. If you want your writing to feel professional before it reaches an editor or audience, AutoCrit can make a real difference. Subscribe to the channel for more writing and productivity tool reviews.